You like to play? Are you almost ready to boot, scoot, and boogie on out of here? How beautiful do I look?
You need to shave. And you need to comb your hair. It looks like you got a scratch right there.
That's from Coda. Coda got me good.
Coda didn't. No.
Alright. Alright. So I think after 75 hard, so in 50 days, about 50 days, about 2 more months, I'm allowed to shave.
Then at least get it trimmed up because it looks like you have pubic hair on your face.
I love pubic hair on my face. Oh, that sounded sus. Yee. Sorry neighbors, part 1. Another cold start for the boys coming up in 3, 2, 1. I'm looking for neighbors glaring at me, ready to shoot me. Oh Lord. I feel bad. It's not very often though that we drive loud cars. Bobby's car's cold start is a little bit loud, and that's probably and obviously that's her daily right now. But like my truck isn't very loud, so I don't think they really care. We have yet to get any complaints, and it's been a few months. So I think we're alright. I was gonna get an item to sip on. I haven't had a Monster in years.
Honey, I personally don't think you need one.
I don't need one, but I want one. I haven't had one in months because I understand that they're not very good for you.
This is like the best video of the M.
Can I see? I really just let her eat in second. What cancer should I drink today?
When you took off out of that gas station, you set off a car alarm.
That means she hadn't built. I'm so confused. This car on the dash says it averages 37 miles a gallon.
That can't be.
That's straight bullshit. That's a clean build. I would show them, but I don't want to make it awkward. Wouldn't that be insane? It probably gets like 12. Yeah. So today we are getting back to work on this jalopy. We have to come up with a good name for it. Is jalopy a good name? Now that I think about it, I have so many projects right now and I love it. I'm drowning in excitement.
I can't wait until you get my new project.
It's not even a project, my guy. Yeah, do you want to tell them what you bought?
No.
Bobby bought a car. Bobby bought a car that's probably going to be the coolest car in the whole entire family of cars that we have.
I wouldn't say that.
When is it gonna show up? She's such a big baller. She just literally like found a car online and just had it shipped out here. That's how cool she is.
Honey, don't say that. I'm not cool.
She's getting embarrassed. Do you want to tell them what it is?
No, I can't. There's no way. I tell them the day I get it.
Have you ever been in a car that is gonna be that fast? Should we tell them how much power it makes?
No. You're not ruining anything.
Okay, I'll shut up. I'll just give you a forewarning. The car that Bobby bought makes more power than any car I own, so it can't be an Evo. Is it an R35? Is it a built F80? Is it a bucktooth BMW?
I was going to say, it's something that I've mentioned I've always wanted before, but it's not what you guys would expect.
Comment below what you guys think it is.
Like, it's not what you guys, it's not what I've been saying I want.
No, you're giving, no, you're cut it off. You're giving too much. Ooh. She bites. So all the seats are finally dry. Everything's dry interior wise. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back a few videos ago. We had to pressure wash the seats because there was literal shit stains all over them from Jared pooping on them. I wish Jared was here right now so I could say more funny things and make him mad. And his boogers. Remember his boogers?
Oh yeah, did he watch that video?
Yes. So we're gonna put the interior of this jalopy back together, and then we should probably get it up on the lift. Like honestly, like I have no idea any condition of this car, so like I don't want you to go drive it and then break down because it's not good.
You have like 2 long ass hairs. Just
Rip them out.
I can't.
Do you always pet my face? Other than a little hole in the driver's seat right there, they came out really nice. Now, of course, when I do a full build on this car, they'll probably be swapped out for some nice Brahms. I just bit my cheek and it really fucking hurt. They'll be swapped out for some nice Brahms. But for now, for Bobby's winter jalopy, they'll work good. Holy shit, it's a brand new WRX. It came out pretty good. Bobby, I think the floor mats match the seats pretty good.
I know, I just like black on black on black.
That's racist. Last part to install, this little wiper arm.
What does that remind you of?
That's what I was gonna say.
I know.
Say it.
No. I'm not saying it. What is your deal?
No, I don't need to pull it all the way out. I usually don't pull all the way out anyway. You want to hold my camera for me, dude? I'm not very good at that, huh?
Pulling out?
Can't believe you just said that.
I
What if your mom's watching? I
They're
wonder why
dead.
somebody glued that shit together. Freaking bums. Oh yeah, you see the glue remnants?
So it was already broken beforehand?
Yeah. Look at that. So I ain't gonna cap, Bobby. I thought we had to pull this whole steering wheel off to get to this,
Oh, good.
but it was like 5 screws.
Wait!
Ah! Wah, ba, ba, ba. Push a P.
Holy crap.
That fucker works so good, better than new.
Are those new wipers? Did Jared get new ones?
I don't know. He may have. I don't know.
I think they are.
Sick. Interior's done.
Holy mac. I am impressed with myself.
A little bit of smoke, not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead and get this car up on the lift to see how effed up it is underneath. Yeah. Yeah, if you look hot in there. Hit the dumpster. Ram it. Ready to go on the lift? What's up?
I'd prefer you to do it.
Should we bring us a bait and have turned it up?
Why are you putting it on ramp?
I don't know.
Be nice. Holy. What? Is this supposed to be like that?
It's a 0607 motor, that's for sure. A little oily. It's not that bad.
Honey, what do you mean it's not that bad?
Yeah, it's pretty fucked up. I mean, look at the car. Is this whole subframe bent? It is. Holy shit, Cameron. Dude, let me insert the clip of, because I mean, I beat it up a little bit and then Cameron, which I don't care, just throwing this out there. But Cameron hit those damn whoops and this was smashing off the whoops. You see how bented it is? Yeah. Which then pushed up the core support, and that's why the hood looks open all the time. So, thankfully it's easily replaceable, this whole U shape right here. This car is gonna be such a damn big project.
Yeah, it will be.
It's actually not that bad underneath, surprisingly.
They do say Subies are rally cars.
Holy shit. There are 2 nuts.
Exhaust might as well just fly off, huh?
There's only 1 bolt holding this side downpipe on, and then up top, there's 2 nuts when there should be 5. That's a nice straight, was this straight pipe? No, it's not. There's no cat, or resonators or cats at all though. Who took my cats? What is that, a 2-inch? Literally like 2-inch.
Do you have anything that we could put on the end of this? That's not so ugly.
I don't think so. Yeah, actually, I got you. No, for real. Dude, it's actually a good fit. Should we leave it? You like it?
Do I like it?
Let's leave it. I can weld it up. You want me to weld it?
What I meant is like, do you have...
Oh, honey, I think it looks good. Yeah, I'm actually kind of like excited now. I thought this whole underside was gonna be just destroyed. Holy shit, look at this exhaust leak. All that black stuff.
Well, I wonder why.
Well, there's no gasket.
There's no gasket and bolt.
Do you care?
I do care.
You do care?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Because I don't like smelling exhaust.
I do. So I guess all we're doing on the lift, I'm gonna fix this here just so it doesn't smell like dick all the time, the whole time we're driving. Other than that, it's not bad. Like we got leaky engine, leaky CVs, trans ain't leaking at all. Trans does grind going into 4th though. A little bit suspect.
What about the filter?
Who cares?
Oh.
It's not, I bet it's coming from higher up, so I don't feel like, Bobby, I don't want to fix little things on this car when I'm just going to literally tear the whole thing apart for the entire build, you know?
Yeah, I feel it.
So I'll just fix that exhaust so I don't sound like complete ass.
Okay.
And then you'll be on your merry way. We can go take it on a quick test hit out in Mexico.
Okay.
Do a quick quarter-mile time. I'm sure we could get sub 30-second quarter
We need
mile.
to get some gas in her too.
E85 only. Well, that's all I'm gonna fix is that gasket. She's all good to go. Let's go cruise our Sub. It looks sick.
I wouldn't necessarily say it looks sick. It doesn't look terrible, but it's gonna fly off.
It actually wouldn't. It'll probably stay. Fire it up real quick. Let's see how she sounds.
Maybe it's gonna sound...
Well, with the exhaust leak fixed.
Oh.
Way better.
It's quieter. Let's take her in a rip. I gotta go get gas in her.
Look at the exhaust. Should we leave it for real?
I don't care.
It literally was a joke, but apparently Bobby really digs it, so we're gonna leave it.
Take it off.
It's like stuck on there. I can't even get the damn thing off. Here, then I bent it a little sideways. All right, let me pull all the cars in the shop, and then are we done at the shop for the day? Holy shit, I feel lazy. We could just weld the wastegate.
What?
Yeah, so it builds all the boost at once.
No, baby, this is amazing how it is. It feels like a stock WRX.
It's a little slower than the factory WF for sure. We're currently overheating.
Why?
Low on coolant. That's why it probably blows cold air when you're chilling. What's up?
You're a real psycho.
How was it?
Looking pretty good. Stinks.
That was a good hit.
It was. Good job.
I think we're ready to hit the strip, so I bet we could hit a sub 10.